Hey guys, we're down at the river. No beekeeping today. You can see that all there, that's snow. So there is a mountain range that goes in the background there. It's called the Old Man Range in English, or Kopoi in Maori. And we're getting snow blowing in. So that's south, which is where all our cold weather comes from. And the wind's just howling in here and blowing snow in at us. None of it's settling, but the wind is just screaming. It's taking branches out. You can see all the branches here. I have to get down here with the chainsaw and clean this up. This is my fishing spot, and we have these seasonal workers come over from Vanuatu. They're here for about 7 months of the year to work on the orchards. And one of them must have decided to throw his gumboots in the river for some silly reason. And I caught a gumboot right there. So, like an actual factual gumboot. It's nice when the sun comes out, but that southerly wind is just freezing. It's full of snow. No good for doing any work in the bees today. So there we go. So this is the Clutha River, which is one of the biggest rivers in New Zealand, and it's very low today. They're obviously not generating electricity. The height of the river fluctuates, it goes up and down about 2 metres. They're obviously not generating a lot of electricity, and the river's quite low. But by tonight, the river will be up to here. Awesome. Right guys, well I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. And I'm going to get out of this cold, horrible wind. So there we go. Okay guys, shut it down at that.